What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, T Thompson Styled It. Today we're going to be showing you guys what I did with this shoe rack that I got from Amazon and how I turned it into a purse rack. You guys, I love the way this came out. It keeps my purses very neat, very organized, and easy to access. So if you want to see how I turn this shoe rack into this cute purse rack, keep watching this video. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right.
I want to start by saying that this shoe rack was very easy to put together. All the pieces just click in place and you're pretty much ready to go. I got this purse rack together, or this shoe rack together, in about 10-15 minutes. Just depends on how fast you're going and what else you're doing. Also, when you begin putting your purses up here, you want to arrange your purses by color and by sizes. This is going to make your purse rack very presentable and very organized looking, and just makes it more appealing to the eye. Y'all know we try to keep everything on a budget over here, so this purse rack is, I believe it was about $38 regular price, but I got it for about $21 on sale, and Amazon is good for having a sale, so make sure you try to catch the sale price when you're looking for this rack. Also, I will have the link to this shoe rack down in the description box so you guys can easily go and get you one. I also must say I will earn a small commission if you use my link. Thank you.
I think we deserve